Om Jnana Tirandhasya Jnanam Jana Shalakaya Chakshura Militam Nena Tasmai Shri Gurave. Mother Maharaj made quoting Janani Ras Prabhu made a very important point here, that although in one sense we discuss how the deities were made and how they were brought to Mayapur, deities are not any material substance. They're fully transcendental. And although we have the installation ceremony, actually Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda are always present in Mayapur. Even before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance, just over 500 years ago, he's already present in Mayapur Dham. He's eternally present. And even after his leaving Mayapur, he's still present. Adapi hoje lila kare gorarai kono kono bhagavane deki bare. By even now, those who are very fortunate can see the pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continuing in Mayapur Dham. Sometimes Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur would, or another of his leading disciples, would call out in the night, come, wake up, see everyone, how the Panca tattva are going, dancing towards the Jog pit, and no one else would see. So the Panca tattva are always present in Mayapur Dham. Of course, not only in the ISKCON temple, we have a Srivas Sanga, the Panca tattva deities are there, Jog pit. So now the biggest deities of the Panca tattva are present in what is called the ISKCON Mandir, or actually Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir. But even before these, what we call big deities were installed, the small deities of Panca tattva were already there. And there's no difference between the big deities and the small deities. So what actually transpired? What's the difference? A few days before the installation, one of the resident devotees of Mayapur had said to me that all the devotees engaged in the organization, they said, actually, this installation ceremony it's not really an installation ceremony at all. The significance is that they will begin to accept formal worship. But he was saying that these deities, it's not that we're going to call Lord Chaitanya and he'll be present, but he is Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda and Advaita Gadadhar Shivas. They're already there, they are the Panca tattva. So everyone knows already, they're already here. It's just like Nrsimhadev when he came to Mayapur. He was already Nrsimhadev. The installation ceremony it was unusual in as much as everyone knew it. It's not that Nrsimhadev we're going to call, and he is Nrsimhadev. So these deities are very special. They're very big from our vision. They're attracting big crowds. Although there's no difference between the smaller deities of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who are already installed and the big deities, these big deities made that big new temple room from the first day too small. In this way, the Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir resembles Matsya Avatar. Well, whatever the devotees, they're thinking, well, we'll just make it a little bigger, or we make it a lot bigger because there are so many people coming. But as soon as it's made a lot bigger, it's already too small. And it's not only on the installation day, but every day, right from Mangalarti, the whole temple room is completely packed out. One devotee residing in Mayapur, ISKCON Mayapur, he told me that even the devotees who come, there are so many Gauriya mats along the road, and their disciples, they come and they stay in their mats, but they all say, we got a Mangalarti at ISKCON. It's a big event every morning. So these big Panca tattva are attracting big crowds of people to come, and will continue to do so increasingly. These are the pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Big mercy to big crowds, many people. At a big arm stretching out. Yes, he can embrace them. He is embracing the whole world. And there's enough space under his lotus feet for all of us. So, next time, go there. Make sure that your head gets bowed down at the lotus feet of big Panca tattva. Those pastimes are going on. The waves of the kirtan coming from Mayapur are resounding throughout the world and throughout the universe. We can all become part of this lila. Panca tattva means we can all be part of that tattva. Panca tattva means 5 principles. So among them, Srivas is the jiva, who is the bhakta worshipping the Lord. So under the Srivas Adi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. So we can all become, we all are, we just have to, by the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, awaken our consciousness that we are part of his entourage. The Panca tattva include all the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all his Shaktis headed by Gadadhar. So we can become included in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes by doing what he has shown us to do, which is to chant Hare Krishna and be happy and engage in his mission of spreading his mercy throughout the world. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's it. It's not the right one.
Mayapur Kirtan, who is?
Kirtan, Gauranga Nritya Nitya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's dancing is going on eternally.